How are you going, folks? I want to show you this wee jig that I've been working on. It's based off the Tobin's Machines Universal Blade Jig, which is an amazing jig but quite pricey. So I thought I could make one myself. And all it is this little stainless plate. I've actually drawn that up on CAD and I'll link that in the description somehow. I'll figure it out. You could easily make it at an engineering shop. All you need is access to a press brake to get those little folds. But yeah, you can make that really cheap. This is just my work table, and we have a few holes drawn and tapped to put that in. And basically what that's going to let us do is keep a really tight angle against that. Yeah, that's really it. It's a really expensive jig. This is made up for, I think I paid about €5 for the materials. Yeah, do some grinding and show you how it works. So I'll explain a little bit more as I just tighten these up here. Essentially what you have is these little lips, which will be pressed against the back of the knife. And based on how far in or out you have this table, that'll determine your angle. It's really basic as a concept, but extremely effective. And you got a few options as to how you're going to grind it. You could use your finger and just stick it up against it. I would advise against that, as you come in there, the blade could slip in or something. It's not happened to me yet, but these things can happen. And also, you wouldn't want the blade to get too hot, which is why I use a push stick and the misting system. I think it's just far better. I'm at a point now where I'm trying to pump out knives a bit faster. So anyway, I can speed up my process. Yeah, I'm gonna do it. And I've had other grinding jigs in the past and I've never taken to any of them. I'll show you here. Actually, this one is the Big Boy Vivo style jig. I'm sure it's a great jig. You can set the angles and everything, but it just doesn't feel natural to me. You're holding the jig, you're not making any contact with the blade. So you're not really building any muscle memory, and just, you know, for myself, it just didn't really work. Whereas I'm sure there's many people who've had great success with them. I need to loosen up those holes, something's a wee bit off there, but I could actually just stand proud, it doesn't actually matter. So I'll knock the scale off this. This has just been hardened and tempered, and we'll grind some bevels, and yeah, you can see how it works. Right, so this is ready to be ground. One thing you do need is a straight blade and a straight tie. If anything's off, you're gonna notice it, because the blade itself is your reference point and it's your guide. And this is my little push stick. Got it ground like that just so I can make better surface contact, if that makes sense. All I'm going to be doing, putting pressure here wherever I want to be removing steel, and just pulling with the other hand. Couldn't really be easier. I figured a bigger knife might make for a better demo, so we'll use this 260mm Guido. Let's get it. Yeah, so there you go. It's been about 10 minutes after the last part of the video, and as you can see, we have a perfectly straight edge, lovely bevel, and this is all done with a 36 grit belt, which was actually a bit dull. I should have changed it before making this video, but anyway. From here, I'm just gonna hit it with a 180 straight up from the 36, nice and slow, same process, and then onto the disc sander, and then it's hand sanding. Yeah, so I thought you guys might like that. Anyway, yeah, so that's it. This is the blade all hand sanded, finished up. This whole process took me about 1 hour and 45, nearly 2 hours start to finish, which for me, that's really good, considering the bevels are ground and it's hand sanded. Yeah, if you found this helpful, leave a like and subscribe, and hope this helps you in your knife making journey. All the best.